Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? SafeMoon holder, watch this video and be safe from loss. There is a chance to SafeMoon wake up again now after a very long time, my friends. There is a chance to SafeMoon give you a good profit. SafeMoon wake up again and they go in the fruit. What's the prediction, my brother? SafeMoon is move upward. They wake up after a very bad path or not? Let's check out, my friends. Kindly, before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. And my brother, I hope if you can see here, the SafeMoon is completely fails down from last 7 days. But this time, if you can say, my friend, this chart is completely. I do a technical analysis. Absolutely, you understand, my brother. There is a chance they will wake up and they go in the moon or not. So if you absolutely, my friend, you can see here at the end, my friend, you can see here this direction, this arrow is going to show you to they will wake up and they go in the moon. Let's check out, my friend. I tell you, my prediction is tell us to upcoming times they will go up and they go in the moon. So let's see, my friends, to my prediction is going to be right or not. But definitely, absolutely, you understand, my brother. To what's my opinion? I also tell you, try to understand what I tell you. You can see, my brother, to they will move up. They will move up. The arrows is moving upward. So definitely in the last 1 hour they also moving upward. It's a good news for all SafeMoon holder. You can see here plus 4.48%. They just only in the last 1 hour percentage, my friends. They move upward. The price is the profit. So price is 0.0005 US dollar. I hope they will just only tonight, my friends. They will give you 0.00010 USD dollar. So you need to hold and you just only, my brother. You need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, SafeMoon is completely go in the moon and they will give you very good change occur now. So just holder, SafeMoon holder, what more thing I tell you, please, the giveaway of SafeMoon is coming soon, so you need to subscribe this channel and just complete my 10,000 subscribe. I do a giveaway, my friend, of SafeMoon, so you need to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for this time more informative videos.